guys, welcome back to episode 2 of the Discord bot creation series. Last video we learned how to set up a bot and create the folder where we're going to start coding. But this time we're going to actually start coding a bot. So for the first bot we'll be making, it's going to be a very simple embed bot, which if you don't know what an embed bot is, it's basically these fancy messages that when you type in a command, it will send this back to you. So we're going to be making that. So what you want to do is open up your folder with the tutorial bot. And if you haven't added the index.js from last time, make that. So we'll make the index.js, save it to the desktop, save it to desktop, should save to desktop, close it, drag it back into the folder, open it back up, and then just open up a new window for Visual Studio Code and drag index.js into it, and then remove index.js from the contents, and we're good to go. So let's begin. So first of all, we're going to be starting out with the constants or the requirements for the Discord bot to have. So begin by typing in const Discord equals require parentheses and then an array discord.js, which is a module. Don't forget the semicolon. So this is a module. Go down a line, and then we'll be adding another const. So const client equals new discord.client. I'll explain this later on, but this is pretty straightforward if you can get it. So now we're going to be going down to 2 lines and writing const token equals, and then in quotations. So the token, which I explained last time, is what connects your code to your Discord bot. So we're actually going to be getting a token from our Discord bot. So what we can do here is go over to our browser, and I'm just going to regenerate this token here. So we have a new token. So if we copy this and we go back to our desktop, we can now input our token. Perfect. So now we're going to be working on the client login, or logging your bot in. So we'll type in client.login token semicolon, don't forget that, and then client.on, and this is going to be the message that displays in your terminal when the bot starts up. So let's just add in a function here, error function, and then go down a line and console.log, and in parentheses and in quotations we can just type in bot has came online. Don't forget the semicolon. Go down and then just finish this off with a curly bracket, parentheses, and a semicolon. Okay? Now, let's actually move on to the embed of the embeds. So if we go down to line 11 and we just type in client.on, in parentheses message, remove this one, message, comma, message, and then a function with the curly bracket, and then now we're going to be making an if statement, which is a if statement. So when the message Here, I'll just show you guys. So if parentheses message dot author dot bot return. So it's basically going to return the message back. Go down 2 lines here. We'll add another if statement. So if message, not message event, lowercase message dot content dot. We want to make it so when they type in the command, it has to be lowercase. So we can just add in 2 lowercase like that. Double parentheses there, and then an equal statement, and then the actual command, so tutorial, and close it off with 8 parentheses. Okay, now let's go down again. Now this is where we're going to be actually making the embed. So this is another const statement. So const info, const tutorial. This is the name of your embed. That's very important to remember. Then equals new discord.message embed, which is has been updated since last time. All of the tutorials I see, it still says rich embed, but it's actually message embed, which is the new update. Okay. Now, this is going to be adding in all the information on the embed. So you want to type in your name of the embed, so tutorial dot set color. So the set color is basically this sidebar here. Now I want to go for a nice orange, so you want to add in parentheses and then with the hex color, so it's a hexa, it's in hex color format. To find out what color you want, just search in Google color picker and you can get the format for it. So for me it would be hashtag EBA 417. Perfect. Go down and now type it in tutorial again, or whatever the name is, setting the title, which, let me pull this up here, it's this bold title here, yeah. Go back in here and the title will be doing a YouTube tutorial. Perfect. Now we want to set the description, which is basically what's under here. So go down, oops, tutorial dot set description, which is the description again. This is a YouTube tutorial. Cool. Now we're going to be adding the actual fields, which is everything from here down to here. I'm just going to be adding 2 fields. So by doing that, you just want to type in tutorial dot add fields. Pretty simple. Add fields. 1 parentheses, and then go down here. Just type in 1 curly bracket here. So the name of the field, which is basically this gray text here. We'll call it title 1. Can't think of anything else. Comma here, and then the value of the field, which is basically the white text under it. So value. Let's just do. This is line 1. This is line 1 of the embed. Now, if you wanted to add multiple lines to your embed, it would just be \n and then ttt or whatever you want to type. I'm not going to be adding in another line just to keep everything small and compact. Let's just add one more field. So title, or the name, title 2, comma, the value of it. Let's just say this is line 2 of the embed. I don't even know. Yeah. Just make sure at the end you finish it off with a curly bracket and a semicolon. So curly bracket, semicolon. Or no, wait, that would actually, yeah, that would be a comma. Right. Okay, and then go down and finish it off with the, wait, tab, there. Finish it off with the parentheses, right there. Okay, cool. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, so now go down a line once you've done that, and we're gonna be setting like a timestamp or like a footer. So, so basically what a timestamp is, it basically the date or the time that the embed was posted, and then the footer, which is this text here. And then if you want to add in like a little icon here, I'm just going to be using this icon. I don't really have anything to use, but I'll just use that. To add those in, you just type in dot without the name of your embed, dot set timestamp, don't need to add anything in the parentheses, and then dot set footer, and then in here you can add in the actual footer and then the icon. So YouTube or just Discord janitor. Add in a comma and then add in the link, so a link to the icon you want. I have a pre-set up link here. Let me see here. Yeah, so make sure that you have the link, paste it in here, perfect, and then finish it off with a semicolon. Right? Okay. Now we want to just have the we want it to send back to the channel that it was sent in. So to do this, we just want to have this other window over here. I'll just move that. Don't know why that's there. We just want to have a function where it sends back. So pretty simple. You can just do message dot channel dot send. So it's just going to send all of this to the channel that the command was running, and then the name of your embed, which is tutorial. Finish it off with a semicolon. Go down to line 31, add in a curly bracket facing to the left, and then the last part is a curly bracket facing the other way with parentheses and a semicolon. That actually finishes off the embed bot. So now that you have all of this, you can just run, you can just save it. So save it. It should save in here. Now make sure that you have the token correctly. Open up a new window of terminal and just type in cd tutorial.bat, or just drag the folder. Just type in npm install. Perfect. Then just type in npm install dash --save discord.js. and let that load. Okay, perfect. Now you can just run node index.js. So you'll see that when we ran node index.js, the console logged it as bot has come online. So if we go over to Discord, the Discord server we made, you'll see that the bot has actually came online. So remember, we had the command, if we open this back up, open with Visual Studio Code, you'll see that we had just the word tutorial, like that. So if we just type in tutorial, as you can see, it has sent back the embed. Okay, that is about it for the simple embed bot. I hope you have learned something, and I will see you in the next episode. Have a great day, and goodbye.